For over 51 years, MPI has established itself as the worldwide leader in waxroom innovation and is proud to introduce the new Model 2012 machine, a sticky wax version of their 2014 Automated Pattern Assembly System, or APAS. Watch as we demonstrate this machine's features and benefits. The system is designed for low-volume, high-changeover job shop foundries where there is high part diversity. Flexible tooling allows for a wide range of pattern types to be assembled without tooling changeover. First, easy-to-make pattern trays shuttle in parts ready for robot pickup. Simple horizontal runner holders position two-sided or four-sided runners ready for assembly. Flexible grippers pick up each pattern. Each pattern is dipped in a sticky wax tank. The excess is wiped to avoid drips. A flexible hot air nozzle heats the runner at the point of contact, then places the pattern, making a perfect weld with no rework required. Before the placement of each pattern, our unique runner compensation feature measures the exact position of the runner, ensuring a perfect weld even on warped runners. Be sure to watch until the end for an exaggerated example. The process is repeated until the assembly is complete. When the patterns on one tray are used, a new tray shuttles in, so there is no lost cycle time. You can see that there are many advantages to this new 2012 model. For comparison, it has a smaller profile and footprint than the standard APAS. It does not require the investment in additional custom tooling, and the unit is priced to meet the lower cost requirements of the commercial industry. At long last, with automated assembly, you're able to achieve this elevated degree of precision, which is highly repeatable, reducing process variation, providing high yield and low scrap levels with this fast, versatile, high changeover solution. Here, we see that when the assembly is complete, the operator easily removes the completed assembly and places a new empty runner in its place for the next assembly. Notice how perfect each weld is and how uniform the assembly is. Variation reduction in the assembly step benefits all other casting processes downstream. MPI's runner compensation feature allows the system to adapt to even the most extreme warps. No matter how bad the warp is, each weld is still perfectly placed, making a perfect seal. Again, notice the perfect welds, placement, and seals. Every year, MPI introduces innovative technology or substantial improvements to their current product line. We believe in this new machine so much that we have launched our new Try Before You Buy program, which will allow you to experience the benefits of the automated sticky wax assembly machine firsthand using your own parts. Contact us today to find out if our Try Before You Buy program works for you.